Leeds is your community space, so where else could we start but Syria? Debate is raging over U.S. intervention, and now even the military is joining in. U.S. soldiers are posting pictures to show opposition to military action in Syria. All the photos conceal their faces because U.S. soldiers are supposed to keep their politics strictly private. But many didn't hesitate to publicize their message, sparking the hashtag #IDidn'tJoin. Renegade tweets, "I didn't join for the American dream to be one of policing the world by force." Another user, calling himself just a Marine, disagreed. "If you're a Marine and think the innocent in Syria shouldn't be helped, I think less of you." Our next leads in Mexico, where anti-government demonstrators are flooding the streets and the web to protest controversial education reforms. Opposition hashtags like #OneSeptemberMexico or #OneSMX for short received tens of thousands of mentions from people who joined a teachers' protest. But demonstrators weren't the only ones using technology. Newspaper La Jornada posted a photo of a drone surveilling the protest crowds below. And lastly, in Nigeria, our community asked us to cover the latest in a series of university strikes. The stream hosted a Twitter chat Friday, and thousands, including students who've been kept out of school since July, weighed in. "This is a timetable of a student affected by the strike," DG tweets. "Wake up, do nothing, lunch." Another adds, "The effect of this strike goes beyond the students and parents. It even affects the psyche of the nation itself." So many of you joined the conversation, and we hope to keep it going right into Tuesday's show on another huge hashtag out of Nigeria, which Femi is about to share.